Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Markets are open. Oh, let's get it. Ooh, rocketing to the upside real quick. Could be morning reversal. Always wait for it. Golly. Where are you going? Why are you going to outer space? Give me an entry here. Give me a first entry. Give me something. Give me something. No first entries. No pullbacks. All good. Still no pullbacks. 0 pullbacks. All the way up. No entries. Just watching this go. Now it's late in trend. Could be end of the breakout. No pullback still. Absolutely rocketing right now. No pullbacks whatsoever. Pandas, what do I do here? Just sold. Sells at the high of this candle. This is so stupid. Sells at the high of the candle. Wait for the second entry long, might as well. Wait for the second entry long, might as well. It's floating midair though. Hey. Should I go heavy here? Let's see. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Give me a push up. Morning reversal. That's why you always gotta be ready for the morning reversal, pandas. You always be ready for the morning reversal. I'm gonna hit on both. I'm gonna hit on both. Ah! What is that? What is that? What's going on here? What is that? Morning reversal? I mean, I gotta try, right? I gotta try here. It's so sideways. It's just so sideways, though. I mean, it looks like a bull flag. The problem is it's so choppy that it can reverse here. So incredibly choppy it can reverse here. Psych! Explodes. 15 points. Darn, that's what I needed. I needed the 15 points. Darn it! Pandas! Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Sorry, we're just like it just blasted off, so I'll just focus on the charts here. Going back to the 500 ticket. Yeah, this is TBT counts. How long does it take for it to? Hold on. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, I talk about live customer support. Golly. Hey, yo, Tom. Activate this indicator. Sir, yes, sir. Cool. Just chilling here. Apps is just chilling here. Apps is just chilling here. Huge spike to the upside. And having a tough time getting beneath the 20 MA here. Just hanging out. Bub stocks, good morning. Sherman, good morning. Minis, yep. Turtles, yep. 15 contracts, yep. Yep. Ooh, this is looking very choppy. Hard to take a trade here. Hard to take a trade here, in my opinion. Golly, what was that? What was that? I tried to get in the first available entry just because it was a rocket ship. I just tried to get in. 0 first entries, and the first entry fails. Golly, late in trend. Maybe we catch something here. Maybe we catch a orb, 5-minute orb here. Maybe we'll catch a 5-minute orb. We shall see. Another strong bull bar. I'm going long. It needs to be a strong bull bar ending on its high. Needs to be a strong bull bar ending on its high. Nope, not strong enough for me. Like, you want it to be up here. Maybe just like that. I'll come with a retracement here. Ooh. Oh, oh! I don't know if I want that anymore. Give me another push-up. Give me another push-up, please. Please. Okay, made a new high. That might be all you get here. That might be all you get here. I was hoping we get more. I was hoping we get more. I was hoping we get more, pandas. 5-minute orb. I was hoping. Break even. Frustrating is that? How frustrating is this? It's going back and forth. It's trading range. Look at this nastiness. I was hoping we get like a monster push up, but we didn't. We didn't get continuation of the first move. That's all I was hoping for. Could be a morning reversal here. Like, we should have blasted off there. I was trying to take advantage of it. We did get a nice move here. 15 points. I could have just... If you don't know why I keep counting 15 points, the 15 points is how you get to the... It's how you get like a 4,500 at max contracts. 1,500, 15 points is the move that you're looking for that TPT counts. Pandas! We're taking a small break, probably till next week on Apex. I've tried, Pan. I tried many times to pass my evals, but look at the market. The daily chart looks like this. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That means intraday also it is super choppy. And I can't get a 28-point move. I can't get a 28-point move without a 10-point retrace. I've got 28-point moves, but always there's at least a 10-point retracement in the middle of that. And so that always knocks me out. Isn't what's ever risky? No. I tried. I couldn't even get 50 likes. Panda's like, this honestly, it's like, unless you guys share this stream with others, there's no way people are going to find out about this stream. Whoa, we finally going to push up here. Are we finally gonna get a push up here? Okay. Happens in the most ridiculous way. Happens in the most choppy market in the world. Like big push up and then spike in channel. It's very choppy. Very, very, very choppy here. Very insanely choppy here. 5-minute orb technically does break up to the upside. Okay. Okay. High or low? I don't know. High or low, good signal bar, but could be top of a trading range. I don't know. I don't know. It's just so choppy, pandas. Like looking at this is so choppy. Like the only way you really get away with this is buying with limit orders near the bottom of this channel. That's the only way, or you get a bounce off of it. It's hard to buy up here on the top of the channel, even though it is very strong, bullish. It's hard for me to buy there. Like it truly is hard for me to buy this higher low. It is just ridiculous. It's just so choppy right before that. You're thinking any breakout fails? Most breakouts fail. 80% breakouts fail. You can see every single time this try breakout it failed. Okay. High or low, but top of this channel. I don't know. It can break out the top of the channel. Sure. Has like a 10% chance to do that. And it looks like it's doing it. Maybe. Look how choppy it got. It's just very difficult to trade this. Very difficult to trade this. Look at all this chop. Down 500. Give me a second. I could be a madman and just go long here at the top of this channel. But if I lose a trade, I have no one to blame but myself. You know, at least sometimes you can blame the market. Be like, yeah, no. Okay, I got like 4,000. Yeah, I got like 4. Whoa. Yeah, I got 4,000. All right, we're good. We're good. Interesting. You know, like sometimes at least if I go like take a good setup and it fails, at least I can say, okay, you know, sometimes the market will just do that. But if I go long here and lose, and I just say, well, it's because I took a bad trade, straight up. And I would have lost there if I went long. Second entry long, middle of this channel. Oh boy. It's a good signal bar I could try. I don't love it though. Because we're still at the top of the channel. It's, yep. Yep. I don't love it. I don't love it. Oof. I'll just
Target
take it
filled.
here. Golly. I'll take a small scalp. Whoa! Second entry long, blasting out of this channel now. It's pandas. Like, I'm not banking on a breakout of an ascending channel. I'm not doing it. You call me crazy, but it's hard for me to go long at the top of an ascending channel. I just want to scalp out at the top of the channel. Basically got a 1-to-1 on this. A little less. Golly. I mean, this is going one direction, though. I'll tell you that much. Right? I'm not trying to go short ever here. Now that we're above the channel, I mean, what's stopping us? Is there anything stopping us? We got another channel working here now. Now we're at the top of this other channel. Breakout after breakout after breakout. Huh. What do we do here? Slow Pokey, good morning. Welcome, everybody, welcome. I'm looking for a pandas. I'm looking for it. We had a couple second entry longs, but I didn't love any of them. I didn't love any of them. Even this one. It's a good signal bar above the 20 MA, but you're at the top of a channel. I just can't do it. I can't do it, pandas. I'd rather wait to actual good setup here. I mean, do I just go long on anything, everything? Pops up a little bit. Retraces. I mean, get me back to the 20 EMA at least. Give me something to work with here. Give me something to work with here. Always in long on the 15-minute chart. Give me something to work with here. No pullbacks. Explodes to the upside. Give me something to work with here. It's exploding. This is one of those you just gotta go long anywhere. And you're gonna hate yourself for it because I'm gonna lose a trade. The moment I go long, this is gonna reverse. Watch. The moment I go long, it's gonna reverse. Give me a first entry. Give me a first entry. What is this? Give me a first entry at the very least. Come on. No way. All right, there it is. Exploding. Give me at least a first entry here or whatever. Give me a first entry. I'm going long. I do not care. First entry. Looking for a new high. Get 10 points would be nice. I'll take 10 points.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. I mean, it's just any reason to go long, you're going long here. Golly. This is, wow. This is one of the strongest bull moves I've seen in a long time, pandas. This is one of the strongest bull moves I've seen in a very long time. You have to be crazy to go short anywhere here. Another first entry. I'm just going to go long. I'm going to keep going long first entries until I lose. What? The problem is it's not giving me any first entries here. Oh my goodness. This is wild. Alright, I'm just going to wait for a first entry. What in the world's happening here? Always in long. Always in long. I mean, at this point, I can just scalp. It's hard to swing at this point. I'm just trying to scalp here and there because it's so late in trend. The breakout is super. It's late. It's late. It's multiple bull bars. Another first entry here. This could be profit taking, massive profit taking here because it's just. I had a straight shot and it's just unsustainable. Bear bar ending on its low. Multiple bear bars ending on its low. First entry off the 20 MA. But strong bear bars here. Let's dance. Let's dance. Might as well. Let's dance. Might as well. Let's dance here. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's do it. Look at that. First entries. You just can't beat it. First entry after first entry
Target
after first
filled.
entry, pandas. It's just land the first entry. You just go in first entry. It's too strong. It's too strong, pandas. It's too strong. First entries, no matter what. I'm just scalping first entries here. What in the world? This is crazy. If you're not jumping in the market right now, you are missing out. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord hath made. Goodness gracious. Right off the bat, it's just a rocket launch. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we start consolidating a little bit here because there needs to be some profit taking eventually. There needs to be some profit taking eventually here. It's looking a little bit weaker. Look, it broke finally a channel. First channel, it's broken, and we made a new high. This is a silly first entry, but the risk looks small. I'm gonna try anyways. Risk looks very small. Ooh, terrible signal bar. Wondering if we're always in long on the 5-minute chart still. I'm gonna keep doing this till I lose. We're in again. It's just first entry after first entry after first entry, pandas. At this point, it's so late in trend. I'm just trying to scalp out here and there. I'm not holding it more than really 10 points. I'm just trying to scalp 10 points, new high, looking for a new high. Will we get it? Who knows? If we don't get it here, then that could be a no-no, big no-no here. We hold. Our risk is small. It's showing signs that the breakout may be slowing down. Right,
Target filled.
Psych? What am I talking about? Buy anything, everything. What is going on right now? Literally, you buy anything, everything. These are all first entries I'm buying. I bought first entry here, first entry here, first entry here. I've been making money every first entry. I'm just scalping because at this point, I'm not sure like how much longer this unsustainable bull trend can last for. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. This is your 5-minute chart. Bam, 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 bam. What in the world? First entry after first entry after first entry. By the way, pandas, we're trading TPT right now. So this is real. These are funded accounts. The problem is I gotta wait. I gotta wait till Friday until I pass my Apex. I'm gonna jump back on Apex. But while I'm waiting for big news on Friday, we're gonna be trading TPT. The 90% off, I believe, is done on Apex. Hope you took advantage of it while it lasted. I truly do. Yep, ended yesterday. No extension on it. Another first entry. I mean, why not? Right? Why not? Bad signal bar? Quite a big signal bar. Okay. I mean, I have some dignity left in me. I don't think I can go long on this kind of signal bar. Profit taking, most likely, but goodness gracious. What a move. Another first entry off the 20 May. I mean, dare I? Dare I? Golly, what's going on here? Let's see if I can scalp out here. Any reason to go long, I'm doing it. And that's a hidden second entry long. It touches my target, doesn't fill me though. Oh, miss it by a tick. Miss it by a tick. It's a trap trade now. Right, when you miss your target by a tick, you know, that means that other people got trapped too. That means other people got trapped too as well. It's a trap trade. One tick trap, essentially. Comes back down. Alright. It hits it eventually. Most likely we'll hit it with this bar. Most likely, but not definitely. Most likely, but not definitely. Woo! Tricky, tricky there. Very interesting. It's definitely getting confusing now. Tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't get bamboozled here. Don't get bamboozled. Okay. Always in long on the 5-minute chart. There's a wick created on the 5-minute chart here. Wow. What is going on? It's the OI pattern here. What in the world? That's crazy. Wow! What? What is happening? What? No, what? What? I'm buying. What is happening? Wait. 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 What in the tarnation is happening right now? Okay, I got stopped out. That was so weird. What was that? That was crazy. That was crazy. Just going back and forth, back and forth. Big push down now. What in the world was that? That was crazy. That was a little bit loco, if you ask me. I'm still not going short anywhere. So I have like pretty strong proof. This is a reversal setup, but this is not a place to go short right now. We do not go short in this type of market. You could make some bamboo, but your probabilities are pretty low. What in the world was that? That nastiness. That was crazy. All right. It is what it is, but that was nasty. All right, inside bar on a 500 tick chart. Fail second entry long. This is a dream looking setup if you're to take it. If we're in a good situation, but context-wise, you do not go short here. You're just never going short, in my opinion. You're never really going short here. It's the first pullback on the 5-minute chart. Probably buyers beneath. Big push to the downside here. I'm going to still take it on a reversal up because there's just no reason to go short right now. You got to be a madman to go short, to going short right now. Probably first pullback, small pullback. It's the first leg. Right, first pullback on the 5-minute chart. I'm taking reversal back up. Second entry long, 2500 tick. We're slicing in and out, in and out, in and out right now. I'm banking on the first pullback being small. Enough for a scalp. Enough for more than a scalp here.
Target filled.
Easy capeasy. Like, you have to be a madman to be going short right now. You have to be a madman to go short right now. It's the first pullback, so possible trading range. You have to be madman to be going short right now. You made a little money going short, but that's crazy. This move could be done. Like, we could be going sideways the rest of the day. Like, this move was so incredibly strong that if we go sideways the rest of the day, it's fine because we've already made a big enough move for the entire day. That was insane. At the end, we netted 450. Every single trade I took was a long trade. I still lost some trades, but it is what it is. Second entry long here. But I don't like it. We're beneath this pivot high, right? So it's a little bit confusing. We made a lower low and a higher high. Things are a little bit confusing right now. Most likely going to still go up, but I'm taking caution here, thinking maybe potential trading range. About 60% chance it breaks out here. Sorry, 40% chance, I think. 60% chance is great trade. Just go long. Second entry long. Breakout retest. I mean, might as well. It's ugly looking trade though, unfortunately. Very ugly looking trade, unfortunately. Terrible looking signal bar. Ugh, it does trigger. If I can get down here, might as well try. Get a little pullback here. Don't get my pullback that I wanted. Goes without me. All good. All good, all good, all good. Just waiting. I didn't like the bear bar. I don't like two bear bars. Or you shouldn't be getting two bear bars like this if you're like just going up. Okay, trading range may actually happen here. Got 3 bear bars in a row, all ending near their lows. That means the bears ended, right? The bears are winning on all these candles. Interesting. Enough for me to go short here? Hard for me to find a short trade at the moment. 4 bear bars in a row, but all above the 20 EMA. I mean, if we get a pullback and a push down, maybe I'll try. I mean, maybe I'll try this. I don't know. I think it's really silly trying to go short. Yep. Bye-bye. Don't even think about it, right? Don't even think about going short here. It's still confusing because we are potentially in trading range. So confusing. Right? Confusion. I can't go long here because look, we're still underneath this pivot high. All our price actions happening beneath this pivot high. Really? It's hard for me to go long here because market's starting to convert into something else. Right? I don't think I no longer think we're in a strong breakout. So I'm not like taking every first entry anymore like I was before. Okay. Second entry long. Only trade I would take to go short here is a fail second entry long. Come back to the bottom trading range. That's the only trade I would even consider in this situation. A fail second entry long. Good looking signal bar to go long. Pretty good signal bar to go long. I could be a fool and just miss an opportunity to go long there. This is the only trade I would consider to go short for just a scalp. Okay, I got him prematurely. That could be why I lose this trade. Okay, just for a scalp. All right, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's really silly to go short in this kind of market. I thought potential trading range here, break a trend new high, but a little premature on that. I don't know if I want to reverse this though. I want to go long instead. No, I'll just take the hit. It's a little confusing for me. I'll just take the hit. I lose, I lose. Bear bar is good for me. Could come out break even. Probably should at this point. Yeah, I'll just take the hit. My mistake trying to go short on this massive bull trend day. My mistake trying to go short here. I thought trading range and we had a potential of a move down. Risk is small, so whatever. I mean, it's fine. I'll take this hit. I'm still in this trade. Potentially could still make a good move. Oh, could come a break even again. Break even, break even, break even. Break even.
Target filled.
Alright, that's enough of that shenanigans. Enough of that shenanigans, right? I should have stayed in the trade. Should have stayed in the trade. It's all good. It's all good, pandas. It's all good. I skunked it. I had, it reversed, gave me a chance to come out break even. I come out break even. Darn it. How does it feel like come back to minis? It's nice. It's nice. I think it was necessary to try the minis for a little bit. Mainly because it helped me practice some patience. It helped me practice to practice daily loss limits. It helped me practice a lot of things that it was very difficult for me to do at the end of last year. Like I was trading really good last year. Even at the end of last year, I was trading really well. I just was not keeping my profits. It was so bad. My mindset was not in the right place, and I could tell by my trading. I was trading pretty good. I was getting decent days. I was like, getting $5,000 in my accounts, but I just could not hold my profits. Like I just kept going like all in on certain things, and super frustrating. I knew that something was wrong. Like I was trading for different reasons. Charles, I'm back. What I missed? You missed about $60 of profit. It's very confusing here. It's getting very choppy. It's a limit order market. You really just stay away from markets like this when it looks like this. You should. I mean, the 5 minute is so far away from a 20 MA. It's unbelievable. Any moment, this can turn to a downtrend, which is crazy to think because we had such a massive bull trading range. Kind of like what I said was going to happen. That's why I drew this blue. I drew it manually here. Main reason being because we got a break of trend to new high to a low. Right, we tested this pivot low and a new high. So we made lower lows and higher highs, creating, expanding pattern. Okay. Gets back to the bottom trading range. I guess I should have held my trade, pandas. Ultimately, I would have made it to the bottom of this trading range. Golly. It is what it is. I didn't lose money at least. Right? I didn't lose money at least. Currently, you got to be careful because this is trading range, but it's showing some bearishness at the moment. If you get two bear bars in a row on the 5 minute chart, things can change very quickly. Right, the 5 minute chart, if you get two bear bars in a row, things can change very quickly. It's very hard to see this chart because I got so many orders. Okay. Comes back to the 20 EMA. Two bull bars. Gets bought with limit orders down here. I can see why. If I was like very bullish, I would look for limit orders around here too. After two bull bars, this is a nice retracement. But now if we get two bear bars, that changes the story here. The problem is you got two bear bars at the bottom of a potential trading range. Whereas here, you have two bull bars at the bottom of the trading range. So two bull bars at the bottom of the trading range is more significant than two bear bars at the bottom of the trading range. Interesting. Not sure what's going to happen here, actually. But we do got two bear bars on a 5-minute chart. Things can change very quickly here. 5-minute chart, got two bear bars in a row. In an exhaustive move to the upside. That's the caveat. The exhaustive move to the upside. Things can change very quickly. We can turn to a downtrend at this point. Why not? Okay. Like I said, things can change very quickly when we get two bear bars on the 5-minute chart. No, like, second entry, nothing here to work with. Just it is what it is. I want to go long here. Huh. Bottom of a trading range potentially. Same idea as here, going long here. Do I want to go long here? Maybe with two bull bars, I'd consider it. People are going long here for sure. They went long at the break of this low. Okay. Okay. It's not two bull bars in a row, so we're just chilling. I think a fail second to short would be a hard trade to pass up in this situation. Because we're going with trend, right? Overall big trend, we're going with it. And bottom of trading range just gives us a lot of reasons that this could go back up. Okay, that's a little bit sudden. Fail second entry short here could be a good trade. Has to be above the 20 MA in my opinion. Okay. It's the first bounce off the 2500 tick chart. Okay. Okay. Pretty strong bear bar. Oh, that's weird. It's very weird. Just in a downtrend? Just in a downtrend? It's worth a shot here, but golly, this looks a little weird. I like a bull bar if I can get it. Maybe one more push down, I don't know. This looks weird. Looks really weird. Looks quite sideways. There's a lot of this is very choppy right here. This is like very choppy. Like this right here. It's not very pretty. Not something I like to dabble with. Only way you're really making money here is limit orders. It's not looking pretty. If anything, it looks bearish. Still beneath the 20 MA. Okay. 2500 tick chart. Could be creating a second entry long here. Needs a second pullback. Still haven't got the second pullback yet. We're close, but we may not get it. It could bounce off the 20 MA. We may never get the second pullback here. We have to break this low to get that second pullback on the 2500 tick. Regardless, it's confusing. Got 3 bear bars in a row now on the 5-minute chart. Okay, second pullback on the 2500 tick. Second entry long on 2500 tick. Could be worth a trade, worth a shot. Second entry long 2500 tick chart off the 20 MA. First one. And we're still like within, like we're in the bottom of a trading range. That's the caveat. Right? Like if this is a trading range, it's a second entry long and we're at the bottom of it. And off the 20 MA. Double key areas. Is it worth trading the big kahuna? The 15 contracts though? Ooh, is it worth trading 15 contracts? If I want to end this stream very quickly, then yeah, maybe I can try that. If I want the stream to end very quickly, I can try that. It has to be a good signal bar. Definitely not with this kind of signal bar. Yeah, definitely not with this kind of signal bar. I'm going long. That's your signal bar right now. It's quite ugly. Closing beneath the 20 MA. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Most likely follow through. It's probably breaking down now. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. That's not good. Not good if you're a bull. Great if you're a bear. We're up 460, pandas. We're going back to the minis. I'm tired of this nonsense. It's all first entries now. Going to the downside. Much like all first entries going up here. We're going to break down territory. Fail second entry long is the setup on the 2500 tick if we can get it now. I still wouldn't go all in because it's against trend. It's a big reversal. Major trend reversal. And it happens in a way I don't love. This is crazy. The moment the market opened, it just did this straight shot to the heavens. Goodness gracious. Second entry long on the 2500 tick was beneath the 20 MA. So I'm sitting on my pause here. I'd rather wait for a fail second entry long. Ooh, you know what? It does trigger above the 20 MA. Good signal bar too. It's the first time we get 2 bull bars in a row on the 500 tick chart in this whole sequence. Like after this move up, we haven't had 2 bull bars yet until here, and now we're showing some signs of life to go back up. Golly. Retracement? Okay. I'm going to fail second entry short. Could be a great setup here still. The thing is a fail breakout of the trading range to the downside. Okay, bear bar. Fills a gap on the bear bar. Second entry short here, pandas. What do we do? That's a bar reversal. Oof. What's that about? What's that about? Hidden trap here. You know what? You know what? You know what? Okay, good. Kind of wanted that to happen. Okay. This is all too confusing. Golly, this is weird. Yuck. I guess I have to try. here. I just have to try, pandas. And if I lose, I lose. It is what it is. But I have to try this. It's a failure country long. Golly. What is happening here? Nah, I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. It's all good. This just looks confusing to me. Multiple bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Okay. It triggers a trap. I'm sorry. If we break this, if we break a high, I'm going to go long. We're still beneath the 20 MA here. Okay. I might miss a big move. It's all good. It's just very confusing. Very confusing to me. I might miss a big move, but it's just very confusing. Pandas. Don't be mad at me, please. Don't be mad at me, please. Don't be mad at me, please. For trying something that makes sense to me. I did it my way. That's what's important, right, pandas? That's what's important! Come on.
Target filled.
Goodness gracious. We're up to 850s. We're up to 850s. Just a 10-point scalp real quick. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, Ben. I'll take it. I'll take that too. Let's see. High or low? Ooh, this is confusing. Okay. What in the world's happening? Outside bar reversal. Great, great. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Outside bar reversal. Good, good. What a delight. What a delight. Outside bar reversal. Of course, delight. What a delight. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? It's a hidden second entry long because that's stupid outside bar reversal. Goodness gracious. Now we're just talking about overlapping bars. I'm confused. Sitting on my paws. I'm sitting on my balls. Unfortunately, I'm sitting on all my paws. I want to go long. I'm looking for a long trade. I'm looking for a long trade. I'm looking for a long trade right now. Right about now. Looking for a long trade right about now. Oh, no. Stop it. Stop it, you silly. Stop it right now, you silly head. I gotta try right here. This is it. Pandas. This is the one. If I were gonna use it on a trade, this is the one. me a good signal bar. Pandas! 15 contracts! Come on. Come on! Come on! Push! Push! No! No! It looked so good in the beginning. It looked so good in the beginning. I had a 15 contract play right there, Pandas. Oh my goodness. And now it's going back up. Oh, Pandas. How frustrating is that? How frustrating is that? It just had to take me out break even. I had a 15 contract play right there. Wow. All right, good. I want this to just fail now. I do not want to be mad that I came out break even in that trade. All right, good. Good, good, good. That's why I come out break even. When it doesn't do what I want it to do. Monica! No! It's going back up. What is this? That was my 15 contract play. I'm sorry. I tried, Pandas. I really did. I waited a good bit for this setup, too. Like a decent setup that I wanted to take. I tried. I really did try. I thought we were going to come back into the trading range. I thought we were going back to the top of the trading range. With the fails against you short. Made a trend reversal. I thought we were going to get back to the top of the trading range, but we did not. We surely did not. Goodness gracious, Pandas. I had a 15 contract trade right there. I was up $1,000 some dollars, and we printed a strong bull bar ending on its high. And I just said, why wouldn't we hold this? Why wouldn't we? And lo and behold, we're just chopping around now. It's all good, Pandas. All good in the hood. It ends up going up anyways after a bunch of chop. What can you do about it, right, Pandas? You gotta do what you gotta do. And if it's not making the move, if it doesn't have, if it reverses like this with 15 contracts, it's just hard to hold. Very difficult to hold. Ends up making the move I wanted to make at, eventually, but not after, 4 bars just overlapping. Very confusing. It is what it is. I tried. I had a 15 contract play. I tried. I really did try. And the best part is, and the worst part is that I had a bull bar, very good breakout bar, and then wham, wham, just takes you out break even. It's all good. It's golly, Pandas, golly. Can't win them all. Gilbert Medina with the 5 gifted. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Gilbert Medina is the man. How's your journey going? How's your journey? You want to plug? You want to plug? Do you want to let us know what prop firms you're using if you're using prop firms? Go ahead, give us a plug if you want. What is that, Pandas? Ends up making the move I wanted to make only after some disgusting chop. Ends up making the move I wanted to make. Golly, Pandas, what can you do, though? It is what it is. It is what it is. I appreciate the 5 gifted. Gilbert Medina, let us know what's good. Let us know what prop firms you're using. Let us know about your journey. Let's get it. Golly, Pandas. Bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range. To the T. Literally, to the tick. That's the move I wanted. But unfortunately, I had to retrace back, and I couldn't hold my 15 contracts. Could not hold my 15 contracts. Golly. So frustrating. All good. It's all good. I mean, what do you expect? 15 contracts. Come on. Worst part about that, I lost $700 of threshold, unfortunately, because of that. I lost $700 of threshold because of that, unfortunately. All good though. That's the least of my worries. 700. Who cares? Who cares about that? Ah, pandas. I was excited. I thought that was the one. I really thought that was the one. Get ready to trade my personal account. Everything's good here. See you green as always. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Let's get it. Let's get it. This year's the $1 million year. I'm telling you that right now. This year is the $1 million year, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. If it's not this year, it will be next year. It's just a matter of time, right, pandas? So we bounced the top of the trading range. Now things are getting confusing for me again. I'm not sure. We got 2 bull bars on the 5-minute chart. Man, that was the one, pandas. That was the one. Ah. First entry is making some bamboo coming off the 20 MA. Good signal bar. All right, good signal bar coming off the 20 MA. Not too shabby, but we already bounced off the top of the trading range. Hard for me to go long back knowing that we already bounced off the top. If anything, you look for some sort of reason to go short. I think that's what they did here. Bounced to the top of the trading range, and then they saw 2 bear bars, and they just went short. Good enough for a scalp, right, if you just sold that close. 12-point scalp, I mean, it's not too shabby. Not too shabby. 2 bear bars here again maybe warrants another short trade, but the 20 EMA I think is a strong support right now. Not enough room to the 20 EMA to take a short here. So if you take a short here, that is 100% at your own peril. I wish someday we'll see like someone doing a gifted, right? Gifting subs or gifting memberships. And then we see like Jerome Powell. We'll see Mac from price action trading. I want to see like it just like people who never just lurk, who've been lurking this whole time, and then they pop up. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I mean, are we breaking out? Does this look like we're gonna break out? I don't know. Hard to say. Second entry long. The problem is we're at the top of a trading range. That's the crux of the issue. We're getting this okay setup here. We're top of a trading range. It's difficult just to go long here, in my opinion. It is coming off 2 key areas. And we can take a small risk here. I mean, if it's a small risk trade, maybe I'm interested. Bad signal bar currently. Now breaking beneath it all. So no longer interested. It's fine. I mean, it's like it's a hard long to take in general because you're coming off the top of the trading range. Right, 2 bear bars in a row. People sold when you got near the top here because they saw the 2 bear bars. They just sold anyways. They sold this 2 bear bars. It came back. They sold the top here, showing the strength of the limit order bears. Right, making an influence on the market. Okay, second entry long. Again, there it is. Nothing I love. I mean, at the end, the 2 bear bars here are selling here. Could have been the move. I don't know. Top of the trading range. Back to the bottom of the trading range, which is nice because now we can look for a long trade again to get back to the top. 2 bull bars in a row could do it for you. Again, it's kind of like you saw something here, right? 2 bear bars here. Then that's when they sold. They sold here. And it came back up and they sold the top of this pivot. Same thing here. 2 bull bars here. It's the first bull bar we've seen since the break of the trading range. Then people bought here. And they bought again at the break of this pivot low. You see a strong bull move here. This is a very strong bear leg. And if we break this low, we're technically making lower highs and lower lows. Okay. 2 bull bars could be enough for you to just go long. We'll see. It looks like it wants another leg down though. This is a strong enough move. Look how different this looks than all of this. This move is so strong, it warrants another leg down, which is what we're getting. That might be all you get here. Who knows? Trading ranges are very strange. Trading ranges, the tough thing is that the only way to really trade trading ranges is if you trade with a wide stop. Because you rarely can perfectly time the bounce, but you know it happens somewhere at the bottom of it. So scaling in is like the best way to do it. Also, the best way to have big red days, unfortunately. In general, it's just very difficult to trade trading range days. Because it's going to break out, right? Eventually, it's going to break out. If you scale in, eventually, it's going to break out. And you're going to have to pay the price. Big time. Like, it's going to happen. Like, you're going to get burned. It's just a matter of time. Big stop losses will eventually get hit. It will eventually get hit. If you have big stop loss, it will eventually get hit. Trading ranges are very difficult. Two bull bars here. Do I want to go long on just 2 bull bars? The first 2 bull bars I see. We failed to print 2 bull bars. Oh, I take that back. I take it back, I think. I take... Oh, it's not a bull bar. It's not a bear bar either. Golly. Doji is a non-bull or bear bar. I don't think it's strong enough to push back up. That's not a strong enough bar. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Floating in midair though. Pandas, use code BBM. 40% off TPT, no activation fee. Actually, it actually ends up being very cheap. Right? That no activation fee is actually really big. All right. Okay. Confusing, as always. Honestly, it looks and feels a little strange. Like this move down so strong with a lower high makes it look like it wants to break this low. Like it feels like it wants to break this low. If it doesn't break this low, it feels like something's missing here. Like it's unfinished business. The higher time frames, you can kind of get a better sense of it. For some reason, right? It does feel like we want to break this low because it looks heavy. Right? This push down looks like it wants one more push down to break this low. It just feels like that to me. I mean, I could be wrong, but it just feels like it wants to try to do that. Completely sideways, nothing to do here. Unless you want a limit order trade, which is dangerous, but do what you gotta do. Oh. Second inch short. This is too choppy though, that's a problem. Chop begets chop. And look at this bar. Almost coming to the bottom of this. Now the risk is large. Almost feels more like trading range, if anything. So we do trigger here, can come back up with limit orders, right? People just buying limit orders, people selling limit orders. So we end up doing is selling down here and then stopping out here, which is like the exact opposite of what we should be doing. Because people are buying here and then they're selling up here. But what you're trying to do is sell down here and you get stopped out here, so you end up buying here. You're doing the exact opposite of what you should be doing. So So for that reason, I'm out. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Interesting, but doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good at all. GC. Panda! Ah. I don't know what's going on here. Huh. Just looks like Chopperoni here. Okie dokie. Like I said, people buying here, people selling up here. Okay. I want a new low. Like, I want a new low. I feel like I would feel more comfortable if we made a new low here. If we broke this low, I'd feel more comfortable. Like, I feel like it wants to do this. I could be completely wrong. Like I said, if you go short here, you're doing the exact opposite of what the market wants you, what the market's doing. People are buying here and selling up here. I feel like it wants a new low though. Problem is, it's so choppy. I can't take a trade here. We took a 15 contract trade, Pandas. Like, it looked pretty darn good too. No, I don't know if I could have withstood this pullback though. How much is that? Ooh, it's close. Feels like I just short. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Even though I like the second entry long on the 5-minute, it just feels like there's something that needs to be done. Like we need to test this low, in my opinion. Like it just feels so weird. Like I don't know. Just doesn't feel right. Like I feel like we need to test this low before anything. I could be wrong. Maybe we'll never test this low. Or this was a test of the low. I don't know. Just looked and felt weird. I felt like it wanted one more push down. It really did. But maybe I'm wrong. It might make new highs here. I don't know. Just something's off about this. Two bear bars, I may just go short. Don't be lazy. Keep track of these channels. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe it will never test this low. Okay, I didn't get my two bear bars, so I'm not going short here. Okay. heck was that? It like froze. What the heck was that? Okay. At a certain point in time, I'm gonna have to admit I'm wrong if it doesn't make the move. Sean Bolbar ending on time. Alright, forget it. I guess we're not gonna test that low. Okay, I'll let it go. No, I felt like we wanted to test this low. This didn't look right. But now as time goes on, it's looking okay, I guess. Basically double bottom here now. Golly, I don't know. All I know is very choppy. It's hard to really make a trade here. I don't know. What do we do here? What are we doing here, Bandas? What do we do? Okay. Second entry long? Even though I think it's going to test a low, second entry long here? These big wicks here above? I don't know. Okay. Alright, Pandas. I'm going for it. Two bear bars in a row now. First time we got two bear bars in a row. It's just so choppy. What am I thinking? I should just be using limit orders right now. Why am I even trying to do whatever I'm trying to do? I should just be trading with limit orders, wasting so much time. Okay, pull back here to the bottom of this candle. Tracks. Hey, bear bar. I think I'm gonna go short here, Panis. Nope. Almost got me. Almost sure did got me. Two bear bars though are what's getting me here. It's so choppy. Oh, outside bar reversal. All right. I'm going to try with two. Thoughts and prayers, Pandas. Thoughts and prayers here. It is obviously a limit order market. I'm just out of my mind even trying to go short here. But obviously limit order market. Okay. Dumbest trade of 2026. Why did I just do that? Dumbest trade of 2026. Why did I even try? What am I thinking here? Dumbest trade of 2026. There we go. What in the world am I doing here? Oh, am I right? Are we going to test this low? Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Ah! Stupid. Whatever. I'm done. I'm done with this trade. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. It's too choppy. It's too choppy, pandas. Check, check, check. My volume's low. I feel like, if anything, I'm blowing up your eardrums by yelling to the mic. It ends up pushing down. I just can't handle the retracements. I don't want any retracements, but it's a choppy market, so you got to take the retracements. The 240 SMA was scaring me, thinking that possibly bounce on the 240 SMA. Like, every time it ends bearish like this, I don't want to see a retracement. I'm sorry. If I don't see immediate follow through, I'm sorry. I do not want to partake. Like this, strong bull bar. You want immediate follow through. That's what you want. All right, I tried, pandas. Can you blame me for trying? I tried to get a little bamboo there, and it didn't work out. This is so choppy. I should be trading with limit orders. What am I thinking? Why am I even trying to trade breakouts right now? It's purely choppy. It's like completely sideways. Hoo-wee. That's what premises get you, right? It gets you stuck. Get you stuck. Like, I should be like clear-minded, and if I saw this chart brand new, I should be like, all right, definitely choppy. A little double top here, but choppy nevertheless. Is it gonna actually test where I thought it was gonna test, which is this line here? I was waiting for a long time, thinking it just looks so strange, right? This pushed down and this pushed down, and it just getting stopped like that. It just looks very strange to me. All right. It just didn't seem right. It seemed like something was not finished, like unfinished business. We're actually getting to where I thought we were gonna get to. We're actually getting there, Pandas. Like, it just, we finally did it. We finally tested this low. That's all I wanted to see. Now we can go up. Like, I don't mind it going this way, but now, like, I think we can go up. Now I feel more comfortable. This looks better. Now, if this goes back up, I feel like, all right, that makes sense. Like, we finished our business here. Now we can go up. We finally tested that low, and it took forever. And I even took a trade to, put money where my mouth is. But this retracements were gonna get me anyways. Like, if this one didn't get me, this was gonna get me. Ended up going where I thought I was gonna go. It's unfortunate. It's just hard to trade this chop. Golly, look at this. Ugly. It's terrible. Really bad. Really bad. But like I said, pandas, on the 5-minute chart, the moment you see 2 bear bars in a row, it could change everything. And that's what it did. These 2 bear bars, because it's so exhaustive, the 2 bear bars showing reversal, and now we're getting a bear trend. Those 2 bear bars is the beginning of the reversal. And the thing is, on the 5-minute, what they end up trying to do is come out break even here. Right? Those who bought long here, bought long. They saw this. This move here. They came up break even, and now they're trapped because they tried to come up break even with this move up, but they're trapped. They couldn't quite get there. Fortunately for the bulls. All right, unfinished business is done. Like, I think we can go up now, but I feel more comfortable now that happened. It just felt so weird. It just looks so weird. Like, if it was doing this and a reverse all the way back up, to me, that just this pushed down and this pushed down. The strength of this push down. It didn't feel right that we didn't test this low here. And it kept chopping, and then finally did it. It's just, I don't know. Just didn't look right. Now we're just getting pretty decent pushes down. And if this is a channel, we're nearing the bottom of the channel with big strong bear bars. 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart can act as support. Or it could be reversal for the rest of the day and we've, filled this gap here. Something along those lines. Golly. Pandas. What a day. It was choppy for a very long time right here. Now we're moving and it's bearish, but potentially a couple supports here. You don't really take a trade unless it feels like it's a short to go long at this point. You're not looking for a long trade unless you get a really good reversal set up here. At this point, I would need a breaker trend for here. It's a very tight channel. All right. Are we getting another 15 contract trade? Maybe, but I don't know. I don't know. We don't need to. It's quite choppy, right? Look at the price action that we've been having. Like all of this, 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 all of this. This is all chop, right? So it's tough to look for a 15-point move. Like I said, we had to move so strong in the beginning. Like that was enough volatility here for the traders just to stop, and we can go sideways for the rest of the day. Right? This was enough of a move for the day, and that's all people needed. And now people are just taking profits and kind of doing nothing now. Okay, we got to break a trend now. Oh, minis. I love minis. I love minis. I love you, minis. Oh. Really, the biggest advantage for the micros is that you can potentially trade trading ranges, but also the bad part about it is just like anything else, like you could lose a lot of money scaling in. Scaling in is the toughest part about trading. Just it's too hard. You gotta trade small. I gotta trade smaller than a micro. Basically, I have to trade smaller than a micro if I want to scale in. It's crazy. All right, okay, reverse up. Nice strong bull move. 2 bull bars, 3 bull bars in a row now. Wowzers. Okay. Kind of came out of nowhere, this move. I don't know. I mean, the 2 bull bars here could signal to buy. Even if it's a doji or has a big wick like this. But I'll tell you what. Now that we tested this low, I feel way more comfortable going long. I feel comfortable breaking this high now. I feel okay doing all that now after testing this low. I feel comfortable now. I'm like, okay, let's go long now. Let's try to find a low trade. Third entry long on the 5-minute chart has not tested a 20 EMA yet. But it's a good signal bar. And you're going with trend. Basically a bull flag here. Thinking about this bull flag is a little bit large, right? It's about 50% retracement, but I don't know. You're thinking you want to test the 20 EMA. That's what I'm thinking, at least. If not now, eventually, sooner or later today. It's been only one day in the last like 20 years where we did not test the 20 EMA, and we were like one tick away from testing it. It happened like last year. Literally in the last 20 years, we have never not tested a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Last year there was one day where we didn't test it, and it missed it by like a tick. It was absolutely insane. This is a big move up. Huge move up, pandas, and there's no way to get in. No way to get in. Ever since this reversal here, there's no way to get in. Golly, like why would I just buy? Ooh, why would I just buy here? Why would I just buy here? Maybe buy after this second bull bar, but it's strange. First entry here. I'm just saying my pause. I mean, it's just if anything, it's a little bit confusing. It's coming back into this chop. It's hard to time these moves because you basically have to time a breakout every single time you want to take a trade. It's very difficult. Second entry long? Is it time for the second entry long? Ooh. Interesting. Second entry long, eh? You sure about that? Lower highs, lower lows. Sure. Why not? Why not? That does not look good. That does not look pretty, I'll tell you that much. That does not look pretty. Does that look pretty to you? That does not look pretty to me. 5 overlapping bars here. Fails like entry long on the 2500 tick. Huh. Okay. What time frame I'm on? Top right of your screen. I bounced between a couple of them. Second entry long. Shooting for the stars here. Shooting for the stars. What the freak? Forget about it. That's our bar reversal. Forget about it. Just forget about it. It doesn't even end. It's bullish here. It's a failed trap. Did they come up break even here for those who took that trade? They did not. Oh, they do come up break even. Nope, they do not. They lean into their mistakes. Another failed trap on a 2500 tick. Hooey! Alright, I'm buying. Two bull bars in a row. Let's dance. Not very good follow through. Not good follow through at all, actually. It's the exact opposite of follow through here. Not the best follow through, I'll tell you that much. It's so choppy. Why am I even trying to trade this right now? Why am I even trying to trade this right now? The most choppy chops.
Target
I'm
filled.
not break even. I don't know what I'm doing here. I actually don't know what I'm doing here. Confused, very confused. This is too much chop back and forth. Chop. You gotta basically just hope for a breakout in one direction. You're in the right way. It's 250-50. Everything's 50-50 here, it feels like. I'm up 750. I mean, it's not a bad day. Not an amazing day, but it's not a bad day. It's okay day. It's pretty good. Anything above 500 is pretty good, I think. 500, I would say, is like it's a day. Right? It's your green day. It's your green day. I'll say 700. What's profit target for these? 5,000. I'm looking for 5,000. I'll like 5,000 if I can get it. Golly. What a mess. What a diabolical mess. What a diabolical mess right now. Like, I basically have to time a breakout here. It's the only way to really make money. What? What is happening? We don't even test the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. It's a nice strong bull bar though. Okay? When I say okay, I mean like, what the freak is happening? What am I looking at? Look at this. Like, do you really want to trade this? Not I. Triangle. It's a triangle. Second inch short on the 2500 tick. Second inch short on the 2500 tick. What? Okay. Decent bear bar. Could do something for me here. Okay. When I say okay, I mean what the is happening here? What is actually happening? I'm confused. I'm actually dazed and confused right now. Am I supposed to buy here? Should I just buy down here? How crazy it to be just to buy here? What a madman if you're just to buy right there. You're a madman. You're a madman here. I think, honestly, 5-minute test of 20 EMA. Then at this point, that's what I feel like we need to do. Otherwise, it's going to be hard to lift off here. Too many bears are thinking we're going to touch the 20 EMA. Too many bulls waiting to touch the 20 EMA to get in. The only reason why I would go long here is because of FOMO. But that's what the nice thing about trading micros were. Trading micros on the 5-minute chart, I was waiting hours for setups. And didn't even get them sometimes. And this is nothing compared to that. I'm okay, just waiting here. I don't mind. I don't mind. Ugh, I just feel bad for you guys because you guys are watching this. I'm happy with my 750 profits too. I mean, I can end the day happy. The big smile on my face, I can end the day. Don't mind. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Okay. Okay. So, what now? OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. I mean, I guess it's time. It is time. Final countdown. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Okay, it's pushing down. Okie dokie. No clue. We triggered an inside bar trade on the 5-minute chart with that break of this low. With the 5-minute chart, it's an OI pattern, and we just broke the low here. All right. Here we go. Okay. 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 There it is. We're finally getting the move. Feels like entry long. Oh, do I just go short here? Cool. Very cool. Cool. Set him a pause. I have no clue what's happening here. You know what? You know what? Why not? Why not? Let's see if we get some bamboo here. It's a small risk, and I think the risk reward is good here. And we have a clear target beneath. Clear stop loss as well. Very defined trade here, in my opinion. And yeah. I think it's great. Good trade. If we lose, we lose. I like the signal bar here as well. The risk is not that large. What's the risk here? It's just, yeah. It's just 10 points. Another bear bar here. I might just add on to my trade until we hit our target.
Target filled.
I don't like that. I don't like the follow through. I don't like the follow through. After a strong bear bar, you should not be getting reversed with a bull bar. It should have some follow through there. Without that follow through, bandits, I don't think I like it very much. At the end, I'm just too much of a wussy to trade this market. I can't hold. I can't. It ends up probably eventually working out for me. It just shouldn't retrace like this. If it's a strong move, it should not retrace like this. You know what I mean, pandas? Wow. All right. Good thing I got out. That's diabolical. It's actually diabolical. Hi guys. How's your day going? Hi guys. Hi guys. How's your day going? Hi guys. It's going great. It's going great. mister? Oh. Well, I'm losing my mind. I'm actually losing my mind. What the? What in tarnation is actually happening here? I mean, dare I? Dare I? The moment I try, I know it's not gonna work. The moment I try, I know it's not gonna work. I have to, right? I have to. I have to. I have to. I don't have to do anything. What is this? What is happening here? Why am I still trading? That is a bigger question. Why am I still in this market? You know what? I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for the 5 minute to finally hit the freaking 20 EMA so I can go long. That's all I've been. That's what I'm waiting for right now. I've been waiting for since 10 o'clock. I've been waiting for 1.5 hours for this just to touch the 20 EMA, so I have good reason to go long. That's what I've been waiting for this entire time. That's what I've been waiting for this entire time. It's making like a huge triangle right now in the 5 minute chart. Something along these lines. Literally along these lines. You know what? I have no idea. It's looking fishy, looking sus, looking suspicious. Oh, I pattern here. All right. You know what? I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna take this I here. Outside, inside here. I'm taking it, pandas. You can't blame me for trying here. It's gonna be a I. 3 inside bars. It's about to do that. It's about to give me 3 inside bars. Oh, breaks it upside. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Cool beans. Coolest beans you can find. Very nice. Very cool beans. Nvidia's earnings coming out this afternoon. Uh-oh. That could be why we were just consolidating like this entire day. OII breaks to the upside. Strong bull bar, no follow through whatsoever. Great. Great. That's great. It's very good. Very nice. What a delight. What a delight. What a delight. What a delight here. What a delight. What a delight. What a delight. I'm about to shut it down, pandas. This is not tradable. It's actually not tradable. Talk about untradeable markets. Here we are. Talk about untradeable markets. Here we are. Talk about untradeable markets. Here we are. The most untradeable of them all. We do have earnings today. Seems like that could really move the markets. The problem is you don't know what time. You don't know what time. Okay. Are we not going to touch the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart? Are we really not going to touch it? I guess not. I guess not. I guess so. I guess we will. I'm too scared to take any limit order trades there. I truly am. I think that's it. I'm not sure. All right. How about this? I'll end the stream. If we break this high, without touching the 20 MA, I end the stream. If we touch the 20 MA and bounce off of it, I will go long. Does that sound good? Capiche? Capiche? Does that sound right? Does that sound fair? If we break this high, then I'll end the stream. If we test the 20 EMA and bounce off of it, I'll enter long, and then whatever happens, happens. You know what I mean? I think we're going to come back into this trading range. I think there's a strong chance we can buy the limit order and still make money off of this 20 EMA here, just because we've been going sideways for so long. It's just it's just a double support, right? You got the support of the bottom of the trading range, and you got the 20 EMA. You got double support here. Very strong. In my opinion, at least. That's my opinion. Trading range indicator spot on right now. I'll tell you that much. Okay. If we break this high, right? That's the pivot high I was talking about. Break this high, I'm done. I believe, right? That's the one. Torture. Pure torture. Okay. Oh, am I going to be free from this jail? Am I going to be freed from my misery here? It looks like this could be my freedom. Well, could be my freedom here. Ah. Maybe not. Golly. Free me from this jail. If you break this high, I'm done. If we test a 20 EMA, I'm taking a trade off of it. Those are my two stipulations for ending the stream. And it looks like I will be freed from my jail in about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0.75, 0.5, 0.25, 0.12, 0.10, 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. I timed that perfectly, Pandas. I counted that perfectly. That countdown was perfect. Pandas! I'm ending the stream here. Yeah. Just know we are just so incredibly choppy. And even if it kind of takes off here, the chop, it can come back to the gravitational pull of the chop. So just be careful, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. We had a couple bangers. Pretty good. But we couldn't make the big kahuna. We tried with the 15 contract. Failed second entry short here, and it just had to retrace on us. It's a little too much here. Before making the move we wanted to make. And that's just the nature of today's market. Choppy market, trading range market. So be careful. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, happy trading. Bye.